Yeah, good morning, scrappers. Of course, it may not be morning when you're watching this. Got it loaded up, ready to go. I just got to throw a strap over those mowers. Make sure they don't go anywhere. Don't bounce off as I'm going down the road. That would not be a good thing. Yeah, nice overcast day. So, they're talking about thunderstorms coming in overnight between 1 and 3 in the morning. So, thought I'd get this to the yard, get back. Got a lot of refrigerators on there, so it's probably not a real heavy load. Yeah, I got stuff shoved up in between, a couple, hot water tank in there. So, I guess I had to pull up, see if I can pull that key out of there. Not that it's important, but yeah, a lot of refrigerators, freezers. That's half the load right there. So yeah, probably not a whole lot of weight. Maybe 2 ton. So I use lag bolts to hold these things on, and this side here was getting pretty loose, so I just went ahead and drilled through and put a couple quarter 20s in there. Hopefully the quarter 20 be thick enough, strong enough. We'll see. Seems pretty solid right now. This board here feels a little loose. May have to run a couple more screws on the other side. But should hold up. So we'll get this on down the road to metal check. I called Friday. They said Friday they're paying $170 a ton. So hopefully it's still the same or gone up. But yeah, no guarantees. So we'll get it down the road here in a minute. I gotta throw some water in a little ice chest and throw a strap over this yet. And then we'll get it down the road and we'll see what kind of payout we can get. So my wife's got a dentist appointment this afternoon, and then we got some other business to take care of, some other running to do. Had one call last week. Old woman had a refrigerator and some other stuff, but I tried to call her back and just got her answering machine and left a message. My wife tried calling her back, got the answering machine. Never have heard from her, so I don't know. I may try to get a hold of her again today, this afternoon. And if not, I got a car body to go after, but I got to get this unloaded. It's not any fun jacking that thing up when it's got a load on it. And because I got to get the white truck where I can use the car hauler over there, the hydraulic tilt car hauler. They got a car body. I don't think it had any doors on it, and it was upside down, so I got to be able to drag it up on there. I got 2 big, probably 500-gallon propane tanks, so I'll have to get them home here somewhere and set them off, open a valve up and fill them with water. Make sure there's no propane in them before I start cutting. They're old, they've been there a long time, but that doesn't matter. That propane, it could still be in there. And then the guy also had 2 outside air conditioner units up under a shed. And then I got that other job not too far from me. I got that log splitter and big old heavy metal table. There's nobody there, so I can probably do some recording there. But we'll see. So I'll get off of here and we'll get this on down the road, get it tied off, get my water ready, and then we'll get it down the road. So we'll see you soon. Okay, scrappers, we're back from the scrapyard. As you can see, the trailer's empty. I gotta get out there and drop it here in a little bit so I can hook up to the car hauler. But I probably won't need that until tomorrow evening. And the pay ticket. Not sure what you can see on there. I think it's easier to zoom it in, that way I don't cast shadows. So we had net weight was 4,100 pounds. So I guess that's pretty close. Of course, I wasn't really sure. I was hoping it was 2 ton anyway. 170 a ton. So the price hadn't changed any. Man, there was long lines in there though. For a total of $348.50. I can't complain at all. Of course, 200 a ton would have been a whole lot nicer. Yeah, it would have been another 60, so I would have made it 400. But it is what it is. It's not bad. Yeah, they say we're supposed to get some thunderstorms tonight. Could be some tornado activity in there. So if I hear the thunder coming in, I'm going to have to probably get up in the middle of the night and pull up radar on the computer, see what's going on. Be ready to head for the storm cellar. Hey, we've got debris in here. I think he wants it in the feeding room. So I want to thank everybody for watching. $300 payday, that's not bad at all. Of course, it took a while to load that up, get that loaded, but really in about a week or so I brought in all half a load of refrigerators, and then it slowed down, and then it last little bit took a little bit, but I knew I had plenty around here to get it on there. So I got some more stuff to cut up. Still got that monstrosity. I'm gonna see what I can unbolt and then cut up what I can't unbolt. So get out there with the impact. So I want to thank everybody again for watching. Hope you guys are getting good heavy loads, getting some good copper, brass, and we'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy scrapping.